Okay, today I'll be picking this Master 140. There's a key. I'll be raking this one. Okay, the keys for this one, I don't know where they are, somewhere here. You can see it's locked. This is high security master lock. I'll be raking this one too. This is a 5-pin cylinder Jaguar lock. It's got, I think, 2 security pins. I cannot rake this. I've tried forever. Don't know, just can't rake it. So I'll be single pin picking this one. Okay, let's do this one first. Okay, that one opened. Sometimes this one opens right away, sometimes it takes a few seconds. This one usually takes longer. Once again, it's locked. Can't turn it yet. Let's pick it. Okay, that was pretty quick. Now, let's do the Jaguar one. Here's the keys for it. It's working. You can see that thing is turning. Let me get my single pin pick. Where is it? Okay. By the way, for the raking, I was using this one. You can see the rake. I'll be a single pin picking now. This one is usually tougher. I have done it a few times. I'll give myself a minute to do it. There we go. You can see that thing's turned, and you can, with that pick. Thanks for watching.